What a gorgeous car, just in direct from last owner. It is absolutely beautiful. Love the colour of this car, Caesium Blue metallic. When you see the interior, you will absolutely fall in love with it. It's got the cream stroke white interior, two-tone. It is just gorgeous. Jaguar XF 2-litre diesel Prestige, 180 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic, just under £2,500 worth of factory fitted options, with just 45,000 miles. September 2017 on a 67 plate. Just look at it gleaming away, and when the sunshine catches that colour, it's even nicer. The car's beautiful all the way around, really has been well cherished. Full service history, fully documented, and it's just had a full service. It's ready to drive away today. Let's take you all the way around it. Look at that huge boot, absolutely massive boot. Goes on forever, right back up to there. Lovely and clean, not been abused, lots of space there. All the toolkit there, all complete. Lock and wheel bolt. All the loading area, nice and clean, not been damaged. Rear parking sensors, all down the side. It's got rear privacy glass, which again was a factory option when it was new. All down the sides, lovely and clean. Good tyres all the way around. All the wheels are in great condition. This is how the car came in. We've not refurbished any of the wheels, so you can tell how well it's been looked after. These really are incredible value for money. All down the sides, absolutely gorgeous. Again, the new side front wheel, as you can see again, undamaged. All across the front, lovely and clean. Of course, there'll be a few tiny stone chips, but nothing major, no major damage. So we'll give you a good close-up to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. You're getting on your hands and knees like I am, just seeing the car exactly how it is. Again, the driver's wheel and the tyre, all down the sides, just beautiful. Show the final wheel. Again, the tyre. And look at this gorgeous interior. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? You've got the two-tone dual trims there. The condition of it is just impeccable. This is almost how the car came in. This is how the last owner kept it. Just two owners from new. Inside, absolutely gorgeous. All the headlining unmarked, all the upholstery all unmarked. Non-smoker's car. Centre armrest, cup holders there. Plenty of space in there. Again, the driver's door. All the entry points. Condition of the seats. All unmarked, undamaged, not worn out. The two-tone trim, the multifunction steering wheel. You've got the electrical adjustable steering column, which again was an option. Centre armrest. USB media input in there. Cup holders in there. The mileage of just 45,952. Keyless start. So beautiful layout, all the dashboard, all the trims, all unmarked. Of course, you've got satellite navigation. All the buttons on there, control each of the home screen there. Navigation, nice big clear screen there. Full touch screen. Parking sensors on there. Bluetooth phone connection. radio, various modes, home screen, scroll across, all nice and easy. Children climate control, got heated seats. Press that, shows a menu there. All nice and clear. Touch screen, very, very easy on there. Various drive modes across there, which show up on the dashboard. Rain, ice and snow, eco, normal, dynamic. Paddle shift gear change. Various menus on there for the stereo. Got a menu on there. Again, you can scroll through whatever you want to display, vehicle details. Phone connection. Cruise control, speed limiter. Voice activation. Navigation.
Say the name of the town.
Leak.
Select a line number or say correction.
Number 2.
Pardon?
2.
Line 2, Leak. Say the street name.
Broad Street.
Select a line number or say correction.
1.
Line 1, Broad Street. Say the house number.
1.
1.
As you can see, with that, it's very, very easy to
Now,
navigate.
do you want to start route guidance?
Cancel.
Cancel.
You can get directions, you can call somebody, you can change radio stations. Just make it very, very safe with the voice activation. So there we have it, our absolutely beautiful, beautiful Jaguar XF with just 45,000 miles, 2 owner, full service history, around 2,500 miles with the factory options. And what about that combination? Absolutely incredible combination and outstanding condition all the way around. If you want something like this, you better be quick. This won't be hanging about too long, especially with that colour combination, that mileage and that provenance. We welcome part exchange. Great fast, also available direct from ourselves. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 if you fancy at 2 o'clock in the morning. Simply hit that reserve button so that nobody else beats you to it. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Established 28 years. Read about our raving fan reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. If you want a more personalised video of anything that we may have missed, we're happy to send you that. Full transparency, making it very easy to make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair with our full videos, pictures, accurate descriptions. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.